Hello students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to discuss part H, numerical problems, chapter number 6, heat transfer. Look at the first numerical. A metal rod of length 3 meter expands by 1 centimeter when heated through 200 degrees Celsius. Find the linear expansion coefficient of the metal. So look at that, length of rod is given, that is 3 meter, and we will convert it into centimeter, that is 300 centimeter. As we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we have to just multiply 3 with 100, then it becomes the 300 centimeter. Increase in length, it is also given delta L, that is 1.0 centimeter. Increase in temperature, delta T 200 degrees is also given. So we have to calculate linear coefficient of the metal. So as we know that alpha equal to delta L divided by L multiply delta T. So put all these values. Alpha equal to delta L, that is 1 centimeter, divided by value of L 300 multiply delta T, that is 200 degrees Celsius. So look at the 3 2 are 6, and here there are the 4 zeros, 2 here, 2 here, and we can write it as 6 multiplied 10 raised to power 4 equal to divided 1 with 6, and it will become 0.166 multiply. Look at that, here the sign are positive, and when you convert it into numerator, sign, power of sign will be changed, that is 10 raised to power minus 4. So we have answer alpha equal to, now look at that, we put the decimal here, that is 1.66 multiply, then the power will be decreased by 1, so minus 4 minus 1, that become minus 5. So answer is 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 5 per degree Celsius. Now look at second numerical. If volume expansion coefficient of a solid is 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 per degree Celsius. So here coefficient of volume expansion is given. What is the value of its linear expansion coefficient? We have to calculate the value of the linear expansion coefficient. Now look at that, the value of the coefficient of volume expansion equal to gamma equal to 7.2 into 10 minus 5 per degree Celsius, and we have to find out that the value of the alpha, that is coefficient of linear expansion. As we know that the relation between them, that is gamma equal to 3 times of the alpha. So cross multiply here, look at that. So alpha equal to gamma by 3. The value of the gamma, that is 7.2 into 10 minus 5 divided by 3, divided both of the term, then we will get 2.4 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 5 per degree Celsius. So this is the value of the alpha. Now look at third numerical. A metal sheet is of 4 meter multiplied 3 meter side. Now look at that metal sheet, that is in the form of a rectangle. Length is 4 meter and breadth is 3 meter. We will multiply both, then we will get the area. What is the increase in its surface area? इसके surface area में increase कितना होगा when it is heated through 80 degrees Celsius. So rise in temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. Given that coefficient of superficial expansion of metal is 2.4 into 10 raised to power minus 5 per degree Celsius. So we have to calculate the increase in surface area. So look at that, sheet is the form of rectangle form, that is 4 meter length, 3 meter breadth, so 4 meter 3 meter, then the area of metal sheet, length multiply breadth, 4 multiply 3, that is 12 meters square. Rise in temperature is given, delta T 80 degrees Celsius, and coefficient of superficial expansion beta also given, 2.4 into 10 minus 5 per degree Celsius. We have to calculate increase in surface area, that is delta A. As we know that beta equal to delta A divided by A multiply delta T. So cross multiplied, and we have to calculate the value of delta A. Now look at that, they will be multiplied with the beta multiply A multiply delta T. So put all these values, so delta A will be equal to value of beta, that is 2.4 into 10 minus 5 per degree Celsius, value of area 12 meters square, and delta T 80 degrees Celsius. Look at, remove this decimal, 24 by 10 multiply 12 multiply 80 multiply 10 minus 5, so 0 cancel with 0, multiply all these terms. Now look at that, 24 multiply 12 multiply 8, so 12 into 8, that is 96. So 24 multiply 96, that it become 2304 multiply 10 raised to power minus 5 meter square. Now as we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and you can also write it 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. and 1 meter square. Look at that, here the power is square, so on the other side also squaring, then we will get 10 raised to power 4 centimeter square. We have this answer 2304 into 10 raised to power minus 5 meter square tha, then put instead of meter square 10 raised to power 4 centimeter square, multiply both the terms, then you will get a 10 raised to power minus 7, minus 5 plus 4 minus 1 centimeter square. 2304 here raised to power minus 1 है, डिनोमिनेटर में पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. So look at that, you can write it as 230.4 centimeter square. Approximately you can also write 230 centimeters. This is your answer. Now next one, fourth, calculate the increase in volume of a liquid when heated through 40 degrees Celsius, given that original volume of the liquid is 2 liter and its volume expansion coefficient is 12 multiplied 10 minus 4 per degree Celsius. We have to calculate increase in volume, delta V. Now look at that, given rising temperature delta T 40 degrees Celsius, original volume is also given V 2 liters. Now look at that, 2 liters we will convert into at last coefficient of volume expansion also given, gamma equal to 12 multiplied 10 minus 4 per degree Celsius. Increase in volume, this is what we have to calculate, so delta V. So as we know that gamma equal delta V divided by V multiply delta T, cross multiply, then you will get gamma multiply V multiply delta T. Now look at that, 12 multiply 10 minus 4, this is the value of the gamma, 2 liter volume, and 40 degrees Celsius is the delta T. Multiply all the term, 12 into 2 into 40, that is 12 into 2 24, multiply 40 multiply 10 minus 4 liters. So this is our answer in liters. Now 960 multiply 10 raised to power minus 4 liter. Now what we have to do, 1 liter, look at that here, 1 liter equal to 10 raised to power 3 milliliter. So 1 liter, or you can say the 1 liter equal to thousands of milliliter. So here put, instead of liter you will multiply 10 raised to power 3 milliliter. Now minus 4 plus 3, that is again minus 1, that is minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. आप डिनोमिनेटर में लेके जाओ, then what will be happen, 0 cut with the 0, then you will get delta V, that is equal to 96 milliliter. So increase in volume 96 milliliter.